Have you ever wondered how you can make money online using AI tools? Today, we're diving into the top 5 ways to do just that. Whether you're just starting out or are already familiar with the digital landscape, these techniques are sure to pique your interest. First up, we have AI content creation. Yes, you heard that right. Artificial intelligence can create content. Tools like Article Forge, Quillbot, and Jarvis are leading the way, using advanced algorithms to generate unique, SEO-friendly content. You can use these tools to start a blog, manage social media accounts, or offer content creation services. The possibilities are virtually endless. Next, we delve into the world of AI chatbots. Businesses around the world are using chatbots to automate customer service, and you can get in on the action. Platforms like ChatFuel and ManyChat allow you to create sophisticated chatbots without any coding knowledge. You can offer chatbot creation services to businesses or set up your own chatbot to sell products or services. The third method involves AI stock trading. Tools like Trade Ideas and Algo Trader use artificial intelligence to analyze market trends and make predictions. They can even automate trades for you. While this method requires a bit of financial investment up front, the potential returns can be substantial. Remember, however, that all investments carry risk. Our fourth method is AI web development. Tools like Wix's ADI and Bookmarks Ada can create stunning websites in minutes. With these tools, you can start a web development business or create your own websites to monetize through advertising or e-commerce. Finally, we have AI voiceovers and translations. AI tools like Wellsaid Labs and Lovo can generate realistic human voices, while tools like DeepL and Google Translate can translate text into different languages. You can use these tools to offer voiceover and translation services or to create multilingual content. In summary, the top 5 ways to make money online using AI are through content creation, chatbot development, stock trading, web development, and voiceovers and translations. Each of these methods offers unique opportunities and challenges, but with a bit of creativity and perseverance, they can all be profitable. So why wait? Dive into the exciting world of AI and start making money online today. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step now, and who knows where it might lead? The future is in your hands.